si Maya Faye Gidelbar from Trinidad, Head Catechist. Kami po ay nagtatrabaho noong July hanggang December. At sa school, mayroon kaming mga katekista na nagtuturo. At ongoing kami na nagbigay ng mga... Kami po ay nagtatrabaho noong July hanggang December. At sa school, mayroon kaming mga katekista na nagtuturo. At ongoing kami na nagbigay ng mga...
Nagturo kami sa mga paaralan para sa First Communion. Tapos mayroon din naman kaming mga chapel-based catechesis, especially sa barangay Barangbang. Nag-chapel-based catechesis kami doon at nag-conduct kami ng First Communion. No? Tapos ngayon, may parating kami na formation and orientation doon.
So, just a way of conclusion, all the catechists, 22 in number in the whole of San Domingo Parish, they are actively participating in immediate preparations for First Communion in May. As that is going on, some of the catechists that are able to teach in school were chosen, and they are doing the catechesis in school because it was opened up to go back to school-based catechesis. Even though that is going on, those who are not able to teach in school, they are also doing the chapel-based catechesis in their various barangays. This is that for the catechists. While the BEC, every month they have formation for the core group members. And in addition to that, they also do the outreach programs, BEC visitation in the barangays. Now, Barangay Bawang, there is also a follow-up to make sure that the BEC that cells that they formed, they are alive and active. And there is great improvement in that. So we continue to do that, thanking you for the support you always send for us, so that it continue to help the catechista. This notwithstanding, the children of Mary and the altar servers are also being assisted from the fund that you send, so that they carry on their activities in the Simbahan, in the church, and also in their own various barangays where they find themselves, and the outdoor activities that they have also, and the in activities. So thank you so much, and God bless you.